My wildest dream is to design artificial intelligence that is your friend. You know, if you an AI system that help us understand mathematics, you can solve the economy of the world. If you have an AI system that you can understand humanitarian science, we can actually solve all of your our conflict. I want this system to give an Einstein and Maxwell equation, take it and solve the new physics. If you understand physics, can you solve the energy problem? So you can actually design ways for human to be the better version of themselves. I'm Ramin Hassani. I'm co-founder and CEO of Liquid AI. Liquid AI is an AI company built on top of a technology that I invented back at MIT. It's called liquid neural network. These are a form of flexible intelligence as opposite to brain. Today, AI systems that are fixed basically. So think about your brain. You you can change your talk when somebody talk to you. You can completely change the way you respond. You always have a mechanism that we call feedback in your system. So basically when you receive information from someone as an input, you basically process that information and then you reply. For liquid neural network, we simply got to feedback mechanism and we add that to the system. So that means it has the ability of thinking. The properties is inspired by nature. We look into brain of animal, and in particular a very very tiny worm called C. elegans. The fascinating fact about the brain of the worm is that it shares 75% of the genome that it has with human. We have the entry genome map, so we understand a lot about the functionality of its nervous system as well. So if you understand the property of cells in the worm, maybe we can build intelligent system that are as good as the worm, and then evolve them into systems that are better than even human. The reason why we are studying nature is the fact that we can actually having a shortcut talk exploring the possible kind of algorithm that you can design. You can look into nature that will give you like a shortcut to really faster get into efficient algorithms, because nature has done a lot of search, billion of years of evolution, right? So we learned so much from those principles. I just brought a tiny principle from the worm into artificial neural network, and now they are flexible and they can solve problem in an expandable way that was not possible before. AI is becoming very capable, right? The reason why is AI is hard to regulate is because we cannot understand even the people who design the system. We don't understand two systems. They are black box with liquid because we are fundamentally using mathematics that are understandable. We have tools to really understand and pinpoint which part of the system is responsible for what. You are designing white box system. If you have system that you can understand that behavior, that mean even is you scale them into something very intelligent, you can always have a lot of control over that system because you understand it. You can never let it go wrong. So all of the crisis we are dealing with right now, doomsday kit of scenario, it's all about scaling a technology that we don't understand. With liquid, our purpose is to really calm people down and show people that, hey, you can have a very powerful system, that you have a lot of control and visibility into their working mechanism. The gift having something super intelligent is massive, and it can enable a lot of things for us. But at the same time, we need to have control over that technology, because this is the first time that we are going to have a technology that is going to be better than all of humanity combined.